If you have a Samsung Galaxy phone, there is one secret setting you might want to turn off right now. It quietly collects data about how you use your phone, and it may also use a little extra battery in the background. Here is where you will find it. Samsung uses these settings to personalize recommendations and search results across Samsung apps. But in return, it collects data about how you use Samsung apps and even few third-party apps. To disable data collection, go to Settings and search for Customization Service. Open Customization Service, which is under Samsung account. Then open Customization Service, which is under Privacy. Before you turn it off, make sure you erase your personal data, which Samsung has already collected. Tap on Erase Personal Data. You will be redirected to your Samsung account, then request to clear your data. Then turn off Customization Service. Then come back and disable both these options under User Agreement. Now, go back to Settings, open Security and Privacy. Go to More Privacy Settings, then disable Personal Data Intelligence and Android Personalization Service. Turning these settings off won't affect the normal use of your phone. So if you prefer a little more privacy and maybe even save a bit of battery, it's definitely worth disabling. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.